So today we are filling cracks, big cracks. And we are using California Plexi-Pave filler, 100% acrylic, green crack filler. So there's a lot of cracks in the tennis courts here. And we had to dig them out, clean the dirt out.
Please help us.
And we're feeling like professionals, so it kind of looks like that. We're putting it on with this here. We smear it around, we'll go along the crack, and we're making fixation of it. This is how it's done.
That's my work.
That's your work right there. So right there, like
Yes.
that. That's how you do it. And it looks like this when you're done. You see there's before and there's after right there. Well, you're not finished that yet. And it dries pretty quick, and we got to keep stirring it up as we use the stuff. That's how to properly fill cracks in a tennis court, right?
I doubt it.
I should get lots of comments on this video. Look at
Anybody
that.
knows a better way to do this?
Look at that.
please
See that?
call us.
Yes, please tell me if we're doing this wrong. You're not professionals by all means. Okay, so there. That's the finished product right there. It dries, and come here and play tennis on Salt Spring Island. Tell us if you like our filled cracks. Here we go. I better start crack filling.